So what do you do when the Snapchat app on your iPad asks you for camera access? Let me quickly show you what you can do about it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the first step is to open up the settings app, where at the bottom of the list on the left you have all apps section. So you're gonna go there, and from the list of every single installed apps, naturally we need to find Snapchat, so you can use the manual search or scroll through the letters or whatever. Just go to the Snapchat, and in there you can manage so many different things, and most likely you should find the thing that you are looking for, because you can see there is the camera access, microphone access, contacts, and all of those things which the app might be interested in. You have to decide if you are giving the app access or not. So if you want to use Snapchat fully, make sure that camera is turned on and that the app is actually allowed to use your iPad's built-in camera. So that's really the whole thing behind it. So other than that, as I said, you can manage the other things in here if you are interested, but that is basically going to make the app functional again. So I really hope that I can help you with this specifically. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. For now, that's going to be about it. Thanks a lot, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos as well.